Choosing an AI model is like buying running shoes. The shoes advertised all over the internet are not the ones that fit you best. A new model drops and you already feel like you're behind. Sound familiar? By the end of this video, you will know how to distinguish a real progress from the FOMO. I use AI every day, from coding, marketing, and research to YouTube recently. And here's the 5 tips on how to choose AI for your use case. You've seen those posts on Twitter like, I built a B2B SaaS application over the weekend and made my first 10 grand. It sounds amazing, right? Get rich fast and let AI handle everything. But here's the truth. Most of those stories are either marketing, rebranding, or luck. AI doesn't build businesses, people do. AI is just a tool that helps them. So stop waiting on a magic model that is going to do everything for you. That's not gonna happen. You still have to do the work. And the hype machine that exists right now fuels the belief in those magic AGIs. But once you see through those things, the FOMO dissipates and you will be able to choose the models that you actually need. There is no single best AI. There is only best AI that fits a specific job. Here's how I split my work. For coding, I use ChatGPT or Codex because it handles most of the regular edits and simple things. For hard problems, debugging, or incident research, I tend to stick with clout. It's great at finding bugs, software defects, and validating logic. For research, I usually go with Gemini and Notebook LM. It's capable of pulling many resources on the internet and adding my own documents to analyze and get the best results. For general writing or marketing stuff, I tend to go with Claude or ChatGPT. Claude when I need to have a creative sense in the text, and ChatGPT when I need to sketch something visual for web pages, YouTube. So when something new comes out, I know what to compare it to. When a new model drops, the headlines scream, now it's the number one. At first, I feel a lot of doubt to those claims. And here's what I do right away to validate. First, I go to artificial analysis to check their reports. Most of the time, they will publish information about each specific model in 3 categories. 1, intelligence, 2, speed, and 3rd, price. After seeing the scorecards, we can understand how model positions itself between the competitors, and we can benchmark ourselves in our day-to-day tasks that we know it falls into. For example, Anthropic released Fable 5 a couple of days ago before they banned it. And this model performed well in coding, which made me want to try it out compared to Opus 4.8 or GPT 5.5. So trust your own tests. Don't forget to trial model with different variation of prompts and see for yourself which use case it covers the best. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. This way you let me know that this content is interesting for you. This one is about how to stay safe with the AI. I trust AI completely with some boring work, for example, debugging, generating boilerplates, making small Terraform edits, creating new instances, provisioning new services, and setting up a first draft functions inside of the application. I would not recommend to let AI work something that relates to payments, customer data. Any mistake or hallucination that AI produces there will lead to a severe incident. You don't want that. I would recommend to use AI as the second opinion, validating the logic of your theory and making sure that every corner case is covered. Last one, and this burned me. I had a data pipeline running and AI was enriching every record. At the time, I was using the cheapest model on the market, which was DeepSeek. I tested it on a couple hundred records and it seemed fine. But when the real workload started to go through this pipeline, the model started hallucinating more and more. The safeguards that DeepSeek at the time had were not that efficient. And here's the trap that nobody tells you about. The cheapest models are capable of doing good work, but it would depend what kind of work and what kind of quantities of data will go through those. And same goes the other way too. The most expensive models doesn't work in all the cases the same. So here's where I leave you. The best AI model does not exist. There is only the best AI model that exists for a specific task. The next time you see headlines that Google, Anthropic, OpenAI released a new model, don't panic. Take a look at their model card, compare it on artificial analysis, test it yourself through OpenRouter or another solution. Pick whichever works best for you and be happy. Let me know how you choose the models yourself today. And don't forget to like this video, click subscribe button, and I'll see you around. Ciao!